Hello, my name is Artem Basalayev and I'm a postdoc at Hamburg University. I'm going to present an open source software project we are working on in collaboration with other researchers, SpicyPy, a common Python tool for signal processing and control systems modeling. Our motivation is to facilitate exchange of ideas in gravitational wave community between scientific collaborations such as Einstein Telescope, LIGO-Virgo-KAGRA, of course LISA, but also some other research groups in laser physics, material science, and so on. Since our group already participates in many of those, we've noticed that there are strong ties between collaborations, there is a lot of exchange of ideas, methods, and even individual researchers, and we've identified common workflow patterns such as control systems modeling. And another one is signal processing. And quite often there is a need to have an interface between the two. Historically, different software tools were used for these purposes, and not all of them are open source. So that's why we decided to start collaborative development of an open source software tool, such that the methods and algorithms developed within community over the years can be freely exchanged, and a common ground can be found for comparison between models, as well as for teaching. Check out my poster to learn more.